What's going on, guys? Steph J. Vaughn here, back with another pickup, back with another review of the brand new Apple TV 4K, man. Really excited to see this with the brand new you-know-who remote. So let's get right into it, man. Again, Apple TV 4K branding right here. And then enjoy the ultimate cinematic experience in 4K. You were already doing this, man, but this is supposed to take it to the next level, you know? Open this bad boy up and see what's inside the box, you know? Really like how they did this box, man. I had to make the box a little bit bigger because of the brand new remote. And then we'll be able to see the difference between this remote and the next one. Let's go ahead and open this up, man. There we go, right there. Major game changer, guys. Major game changer. This new Siri remote is supposed to go in. And let's just go ahead and see what this whole thing is all about. So we got our Apple TV right here. Now, for any of you who already have an Apple TV 4K already, there's not much difference that you'll see. So should you pick up this one or should you stick with the one that you already have? If you already had a Siri remote, which you do if you have the 4K, you may not want to get the new one, man. It's not too many differences or anything like that. But this thing is still slick, and I'm happy to have this to our repertoire here. So let's see what else comes inside the box, man. Okay, lightning to USB. Some literature. Oh, Apple stickers. Good job, Apple. All right, man. So you do get Apple stickers in this, man. Really like that. That's really dope, man. Really cool. Let's see what else comes inside the box, guys. Our brand new Siri remote. This thing's got some heaviness to it, man. Got some weight to it, you know? I still like it, though. It's pretty slick. Let's see what else comes inside the box here. I like how they get this all packaged up really neatly. And then as soon as I unravel it, I just tear it apart immediately. You see what I'm saying? Like immediately. Epic fail, guys. And you have the power cable. No, I'm just playing. Just a power cable. Nothing too stoked about this, man. But that's pretty much it, guys. So you get in the box the brand new Apple TV, the Siri remote, the USB-C to lightning cable, a power cable, and then you would have had to go get your own HDMI cable. Let's see what this remote is all about. Was there a better way to open it? Or does it just, oh, it just slides out like this, man. Shouts out Steph for opening this up. Yeah, this remote is pretty slick, man. You have the Siri function button right here. And then with this one, they talked about that you have a dedicated power on, power off button. And then you have kind of like the spindle wheel right here. Takes you back to the original iPod. So I like that. I wonder what this button is going to do. We'll have to figure that out. To get you back home, play, pause, mute, volume up, volume down. So this thing is pretty slick, man. So while it does look very similar to the previous Apple TV 4K, man, it now supports a high frame rate HDR content. It means your new iPhone 12, which supports Dolby Vision HDR, you'll be able to play back all of that HDR content right on the brand new Apple TV 4K 2021 edition. They also have the cool color calibration that you can use your iPhone for to calibrate your TV to give it the best 4K HDR look, man. Be super slick. And then with any other Apple TV, the 4K, and then this new 2021 4K edition, of course, you can get in your Apple Fitness. If you have your Apple Watch, use your iPhone, and then you can plug that in straight with the Apple TV 4K. You'll be able to get your fitness in, man. With the 2021 edition and the previous 4K model, you can integrate it with Apple TV Fitness and use the Apple Fitness on the Apple TV with your Apple Watch and your phone so that you can get your reps in and get your workouts in, man. I really appreciate all the love and support, guys. Thank you very much. Again, this has been a quick unboxing and review of the brand new 2021 Apple TV 4K, man. Please make sure you go out and get yours. This thing is slick. And until the next video, this has been Steph J. Vaughn. Let's get it.